is a patient from about a year ago. We did one max harvest hair transplant procedure on Paul. Paul happened to have had genetic hair loss where he was prematurely losing his hair at a very young age. Alopecia, Rogaine to the laser comb. All 3 FDA-approved treatments help keep what you have.
I'm extremely happy. I'm back for more, so.
Okay. Let's move as much hair from the donor area to the areas that need it, the recipient areas. It has all the tiny little soft grafts, little tiny one hair grafts around. That's the suture line right there. You're looking at the line right there. So that little line you're seeing hidden underneath there is the suture line. That's the suture line right there. You're staring at that suture line right there.
Hair loss began in my early 20s, and I felt confident that the procedure would work. I feel there was no pressure in making a decision. It was basically an education, and basically my hair grew back very gradually and naturally. The results achieved were better than expected. I would recommend Dr. Bolton to anybody that I know. Be very honest about what their expectations could be. I came back today to thank Dr. Bolton and the staff. I felt the best of care, and
way before. If I don't tell you, you won't know.
Never. Has anyone ever said, oh, I know that you had something done?
No.
Never.
Not even my closest friends.
What about when you get your hair cut?
No, they don't know.
Wow. He's actually a model now.
Yeah.
Probably going to be an actor. He's great on camera. Thank you so much for joining us today. You're a delight.
Thank you very much.
Greg joining us today, one of Dr. Bolton's patients. Triple the amount of hair in one procedure from Dr. Bolton.
At least starting to lose almost everything that I had originally
was
lost in my mind. These guys were so ecstatic with Dr. Bolton. Made the appointment, came in, and he did the front, right? I was so satisfied. You do such a good job, there's no reason to come back. After 2 procedures, this is what I look like compared to if they show a before picture of the 3 procedures I had.
We'll show it. Patients want to talk to somebody, they can talk to you.
Absolutely.
What if you get 100 phone calls? Are you going to be able to handle that?
Oh, wait a minute. How about just a couple at a time?
I'm Kavita Shanae, and we're at Dr. Brett Bolton's office with Esteban.
It was very noticeable up in the front, especially. It bothered me because I was so young. It was just really weird. I tried to cover it up as much as I could, and it just wasn't working. I researched a few doctors, maybe about 4 of them. Feel that security, that comfort, where it was kind of like I was walking into a car dealership. They know what they're doing, and it doesn't feel like a sales pitch. And Dr. Bolton was the only came to where him and his staff, I actually felt that security and comfort, and they broke down.
So this is my 7th month coming for another visit to Dr. Bolton's office, my hero. My surgery is it's absolutely phenomenally incredible. Please call me, email me. I mean, I'm just so excited that he did such an amazing job. Every time I walk in the door and he says, where is the line? I can't see it, it's getting smaller and smaller. And now I'm the first one in the pool, and I want to stay in the pool, and I want to be in the pool. I don't think I've enjoyed my pool so much. Thank you, Dr. Bolton, I have a pool. I just can't even imagine anyone not doing something like this. It's amazing.
Started losing my hair when I was probably in my early 20s. I realized I don't have a good shapely bald head. I looked at 3 different doctors down here in South Florida and can't compare it to the kind of service and quality you get from here. I think the procedure started around 4 o'clock. I think I was done by like 7:30. I feel actually younger, I feel more vitalized. There's really no words to describe it. Great, awesome. I mean, I strongly recommend it. Stop looking at all these other doctors, all these other procedures, and really it's a one stop right here.